Here is exactly why you get shy around any girl. You see that girl and you instantly fall in love. In seconds, because that's how we dudes are. We are visual. See, so now you're already hooked. You like her, so in your head you're thinking, man, this girl is hot, this girl is perfect, I already like her. And here's where you screw up. Does she like me back? Bro, that question is what has all the pressure on you and has you stuttering like a fool. Today, boys, I'm going to show you the tricks you need to do so I don't care what girl you're talking to, you never get nervous. Let's hop into this. Number one, I need you to reduce commitment. As a dude, we are wired to fall overly in love solely based on looks, therefore getting overly committed to this one chick while she's just talking to you about the weather probably. Now this is gonna be hard, but you got to fight against that natural urge. And the next time you're talking to a woman, I want you to think of her as a dude. Shoot, you can start telling yourself that this girl is butt ugly in your head if that helps. You gotta do whatever you need to do to reduce commitment down from your side. Which takes us on to number two, you have to dress well, bro. I don't care what you're doing, you always gotta pull up clean. You throw on that perfect fit, that's clean, that you look at yourself in the mirror, that confidence, that thing skyrockets. See, if you always pull up clean, you're gonna go from, man, does she like me? Does she think I'm hot? You'll drop that thing into second gear in your head, you're thinking, damn, I look good today. That's what's going through your head. So see, you've dropped commitment, and now you've dropped that stupid question of, does she like me, to, damn, I look good today. See? That just changed the power dynamic. And that's exactly what we do with Essentials, bro. Honestly, I don't know what other clothing brand does that for you. See, with Essentials, our brand, we build basics to make sure you can mix and match a fit in no time and you walk out feeling like the man. I don't know what other clothing brand does that. I also don't know what other clothing brand is out here gifting out custom Teslas, bro. Bro, what other clothing brand is doing this? Not only am I gonna make you look clean every single day, I'm gonna make sure that one of you is driving around clean. I'm gonna change somebody's life. See, we're giving away a custom Tesla. This Saturday, March 12th, is our launch for Essentials, our new quarter zips, sexy. Our new color palette, sexy. Our new heavyweight sweats, sexy. Our new tees, sexy. Bro, we even got stuff for girls too. Bro, this collection is sexy. So not only are you gonna get clean fits, for every item you buy, this launch weekend is one entry into winning that custom Tesla. Bro, you've seen that thing. We're not playing around.
All right, boys, I have to give you a proper tour of the car, and there's no right tour without a quick pull. We're in Mexico, which means we can't be going too fast. So here we go. 3, 2, ready? Cameraman, ready?
Ready?
Go! Bro, was that 60? No? I don't think I hit 60. I didn't hit 60, right?
I don't know.
I chickened out, bro. But that was fast. You can't even lie.
That
thing pins you to the... Bro, whoever takes this car, you need to have massive amounts of responsibility. And not only that, bro, I'm also hooking you up with dates. Check this out. On top of this being a sexy interior, you got full entertainment stack. So when you're on a date, you pull up into a dark corner. I know what you're about to do. I know exactly what you're about to do. You're about to watch some Netflix. That's what you're gonna do. Watch this, bro. Look at this, bro. When you're fully parked, you get access to an entire streaming platform. Disney Plus. You know chicks love Disney Plus, bro. Netflix, Hulu. You can Netflix and chill. YouTube, you can watch me, put her on. Bro, whoever takes this car, like, if you're not shopping this Saturday, March 12th, by the way, I'm also wearing Essentials. Like, you're gonna look this good in Essentials and drive this car, bro. I don't know what to tell you, bro. Like, I'm low-key gonna buy myself a Tesla, because this Model 3 is sexy. You wanna go for another spin?
Let's do it.
I had you in the driver's seat. Now imagine your girl in that driver's seat. Bro, that girl's gonna be falling in love with you. And you're dripped out in Essentials, bro. Not only that, bro. This is the first launch that we're doing free shipping and free returns here in the US. And if that's not enough, we're also adding a cash giveaway to that. I always give away cash. I usually do 15, 20K. We're gonna do the same thing. But this time, every single order that is placed those days is gonna have cash. It could be $1, $5, $20, or $100. So that means you're gonna win regardless, but one of you dudes is gonna have a Tesla key inside. The dude that has that key, bro, you're gonna be one lucky dude. I'm telling you, this launch, you're not gonna wanna miss, because bro, somebody's getting a Tesla. Put that reminder on your phone. Shoot, I would pull up at 9:50 a.m. Eastern time because when that store opens, it's gonna be flooded and I don't want you to miss it. Number 3, I need you to slow down your speech. As soon as you start tumbling over your words, it's game over. Now you feel stupid, you start adding more pressure on yourself because you feel stupid and you want to fix it, so you stumble more over your words, you have more pressure on you, you've ruined it at this point. So I want you to control the flow. See, you just control the flow of conversation easily while maintaining eye contact, while using your hands to express yourself. You can take those deep pauses, act like you're thinking. See, as you control conversation, it looks like I'm trying to meet word count here on my essay. The point is, boys, when you slow down your speech, now I'm thinking what I'm gonna say next. I also look confident because I have no problem making you wait in my long speeches. That's, okay, I need to stop meeting word count. You get the point, bro. Number 4, you're gonna wanna fake it till you make it. Look, lack of exposure to women is what has you acting weird. So I want you to try to talk to more random girls, especially out in the street. I want you to force yourself to do it at least once a day, and I want you to fake your confidence and your body language, even if you don't feel it inside, even if you feel super awkward inside. And it will be awkward, and you will make mistakes a couple times, but what's gonna happen is that the more you expose yourself, the more you act confident, you're gonna start realizing, yo, this isn't too bad. Yo, this is not what I thought it was going to be. And now that fake confidence starts to turn into real confidence because you're reassured, yo, nothing bad's gonna happen. Number 5, get rejected more. Let's be real. The fear of rejection is what has you acting up all weird. And similar to the previous tip, exposure therapy is a great thing. I want you to expose yourself to being rejected. So when you're doing these daily challenges, going out to talk to at least one girl, a lot of these girls are gonna reject you, but what you need to understand is none of that is personal. Yo, she could have been busy. She could have a boyfriend. You might not be her type, and that's completely fine because there's not one guy on this planet that's everybody's type. Maybe Ryan Reynolds, but that's it. Which takes us on to number 6, embrace reality. I don't want you to hide your problems. I want you to speak truthfully to yourself. You get nervous around girls. Okay, cool. Now that you understand that, now I want you to embrace it and think about it. Why do I get nervous around girls? What makes me insecure when I talk to this girl? I want you to bring those insecurities to light and I want you to live with them. I want you to tackle them head on. See, most of the time, you can do 2 things. 1, you can tackle and fix them, or 2, you can just live with them confidently. I'll give you an example. Let's say I feel insecure because I have a double chin, or I have man boobs, or okay, that's my insecurity. I'm gonna tackle that thing head on. Will it be easy? Absolutely not, but it can be fixed. Let's say for yours it's height. I feel insecure because I'm 5'8", or I'm 5'9", I'm not 6 foot. That's fine. Do a quick Google search. Look at what the average height for a man globally is. 5'7", and those men are still out here reproducing, which means your height cannot stop you, and that's how you can shift your mentality to live confidently with it. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out Essentials that drops this Saturday. Yo, that Tesla, bro, have you seen that Tesla? I'm out.